Welcome to the Great Snack Showdown. In one corner, we have the mighty, super healthy carrot, and in the other, the shiny, sugary, and oh so sweet candy. Who will win this epic battle? Stay tuned to find out. Meet Mia and Max, two siblings who love snack time. Mia always picks healthy snacks, while Max loves sugary treats.
You'll never win the big soccer match if you keep eating all that candy, Max.
Says the one chewing on a boring carrot stick. Candy gives me energy to win. Did someone say energy? Let's settle this once and for all.
You're on, Veggie Boy.
Carrot and Candy decide to compete in a series of challenges to prove which is the better snack. Mia and Max watch as Carrot and Candy stand side by side, showing off their strengths. Who do you think will win? Cheer for your favorite snack, carrot or candy.
This is going to be a piece of cake. Or should I say carrot cake?
And Carrot crosses the finish line effortlessly. The crowd goes wild. Candy zooms out of the gate with sparkles flying. But too much sugar slows it down halfway through.
Maybe sugar rushes don't last as long as I thought.
Too much sugar.
Next up, the strength test. Can our snacks prove their muscle power? Carrot stacks the blocks like a pro. But Candy, well,
Easy as pie. A healthy pie.
looks like Candy's in a sticky situation.
A little help here? Anyone?
You're too sticky.
Now it's time for the balance beam challenge. Can our snacks keep their cool over the whipped cream pool? Carrot steps up confidently and walks across like a pro. But Candy, oh no! Candy takes a dip in the whipped cream, but hey, at least it's having fun. The final challenge is all about teamwork. Can Carrot and Candy work together to solve the puzzle? At first they argue,
You're too sticky.
And you're too serious.
but soon they realize they're stronger together. Carrot lifts the heavy pieces while Candy sticks them in place. The puzzle is complete, and the gate opens to reveal a healthy picnic table.
Great job, Candy.
You too, Carrot. We make a great team.
Together, they prove that balance is the real winner. Back in the kitchen, Mia and Max pack their lunchboxes with a mix of carrot sticks, apples, and a few candies. And that's the story of Carrot versus Candy. Now it's your turn. Who's your favorite snack? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy and happy, everyone. See you next time.